Here is a fast-paced, educational shorts video script about dinosaurs, designed for children aged 1 to 9. Video title, Dino Discovery Adventure. Category, Dinosaurs. Whoa! Look at these huge footprints. What giant animal could have made them? Visual description, camera pans quickly over massive, fresh, muddy footprints in a lush, vibrant green prehistoric jungle. Leaves rustle playfully. Upbeat, mysterious music begins. Emotional beats and engagement hook, wonder, curiosity. The immediate question hooks the viewer, making them want to find out. Character expressions. Actions, footprints lead off screen, creating anticipation. It's a T-Rex, the mighty king of the dinosaurs. Visual description, a friendly, but powerful-looking animated T-Rex stomps into view from behind a large fern, letting out a gentle, playful roar. Bright, sunny jungle background. Emotional beats and engagement hook, excitement, awe. The sudden reveal acts as a pattern interrupt. Character expressions. Actions, T-Rex looks around with curious, friendly eyes, maybe a little head bob. Wow, look at those big, pointy teeth. T-Rex love to munch on meat. Visual description, close-up on the T-Rex's mouth as it opens wide, its teeth highlighted with a sparkling animation. A cartoon steak briefly appears and vanishes in its mouth. Emotional beats and engagement hook, curiosity, learning. The close-up and visual fact serve as a pattern interrupt. Character expressions. Actions, T-Rex grins, showing its teeth. But not all dinosaurs had sharp teeth. Some were super tall and super gentle. Visual description, quick, magical transition from the T-Rex scene to a peaceful, open valley with tall trees. Gentle, calming music replaces the upbeat one. Sunlight filters through the leaves. Emotional beats and engagement hook, calm, wonder. The contrasting mood and scene change provide a pattern interrupt. Character expressions. Actions, camera slowly pans across the serene valley. Look up. It's the amazing Brachiosaurus, reaching for the sky. Visual description, a majestic Brachiosaurus with an incredibly long neck gracefully eats leaves from the very top of a tall, vibrant tree. Bright, sunny colors dominate the scene. Emotional beats and engagement hook, awe, joy. The upward camera movement and new dino reveal are a visual pattern interrupt. Character expressions. Actions, Brachiosaurus stretches its neck elegantly. With that long neck, Brachiosaurus could eat yummy leaves from the tallest trees. Visual description, close-up on the Brachiosaurus's head, happily munching bright green leaves. A few leaves float down playfully. Emotional beats and engagement hook, understanding, wonder. The close-up on the action serves as a pattern interrupt. Character expressions. Actions, Brachiosaurus chews contentedly with a happy expression. From tall to spiky. Who's our next cool dino friend? Visual description, a quick, fun, spinning leaf animation or a colorful swipe transition. A playful boing sound effect. The scene changes to a slightly rockier, drier landscape with interesting plants. Emotional beats and engagement hook, anticipation, curiosity. The fast transition and new question are a strong pattern interrupt. Character expressions. Actions, the transition itself is the main action. It's Stegosaurus, with big plates on its back and a spiky tail. Visual description, a friendly, green Stegosaurus walks into the frame, its iconic dorsal plates and tail spikes clearly visible and highlighted with subtle glow. Rocky, brownish-green background. Emotional beats and engagement hook, excitement, visual interest. A new dino with distinct features acts as a pattern interrupt. Character expressions. Actions, Stegosaurus wags its spiky tail gently. Those plates helped keep it warm, and those tail spikes? For saying stay away. To big dinos. Visual description. Highlight animation over the Stegosaurus's plates, changing color briefly, then quickly to its tail spikes, which jiggle playfully with a cartoon boing sound. Emotional beats and engagement hook, learning, wonder. Highlighting specific features is a strong pattern interrupt. Character expressions actions. Stegosaurus turns slightly to clearly show its plates and tail. Wow, we met T-Rex, Brachiosaurus, and Stegosaurus. Which one was your favorite? Visual description. All three dinosaurs, T-Rex, Brachiosaurus, Stegosaurus, appear together in a fun, friendly pose. Colorful speech bubbles with question marks pop up over them. Emotional beats and engagement hook, joy, engagement. Multiple characters and a direct question serve as a pattern interrupt. Character expressions actions. Dinos wave or nod happily. But wait. There are so many more incredible dinosaurs. Can you guess who else we'll meet next time? Visual description. A quick, exciting flash of a mystery dinosaur silhouette, e.g., a brief glimpse of a triceratops horn or a pterodactyl wingtip, then a bright, animated coming soon. Text with bouncing question marks. Upbeat, mysterious music. Emotional beats and engagement hook, curiosity, anticipation. The unanswered question and visual tease create a strong cliffhanger. Character expressions actions. Silhouette briefly appears and vanishes. Share this video with a friend who loves dinosaurs too, and tell us your favorite dino in the comments.